Use this short video to learn how to use the library of body, equipment and payload specs in the Truck Science program. The library will allow you to save custom components for reuse later, share components among team members, and promote your bodies and equipment by making them available to the wider Truck Science community. To save a body that you have already added to your calculation, open the Body menu and click the Save icon. Give the body a name in the description field and choose whether to save it in your personal library or your team's shared library. Items saved in the personal library may only be reused by yourself in future, whereas items saved to the team library can be added to future calculations by both you and your team members. If you wish to make a body available to the wider Truck Science user community, click Advanced Options and check the Share to Public Library checkbox. Before clicking OK, choose whether other users should be allowed to use a read-only copy or to save an editable copy. If you choose the second option in the drop-down and allow them to edit their copy, they can edit its weight and center of gravity in their own calculations. If you choose read-only, they can only add it to their calculations as is. Either way, they will not have access to the original drawing file, and any changes they make will not be reflected in the public library or in your saved calculations. Let's save this body to the team library. If you or a member of your team wish to reuse this body in a future calculation, choose Add Body, then the relevant body category, the relevant library, personal, team, or public, in this case, team, and find the body under the description you provided when it was originally saved. Using the library in the Truck Science program allows you to not only save time by reusing components you have previously created, but also to collaborate with your team and to promote your bodies and equipment to a wider audience. If you have any questions regarding using the library in the Truck Science program, please reach out via our in-app chat. Thank you for watching.